Well, the Indiana Supreme Court is now reviewing the conversation in the judges' chambers that prompted Richard Allen's attorneys to resign. He's the man who's accused in the Delphi murders of Abby Williams and Libby German.
The state's high court is being asked to reinstate Allen's original attorneys and replace the special judge.
Our Rich Nye has been talking with legal experts today, learning how this transcript could impact the decision. Rich?
Scott and Felicia, Judge Francis Gold made it clear to Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rosie that she was going to remove them from the case if they did not resign. The conversation took place in the judge's chambers before an October 19th hearing in Fort Wayne. The transcript quotes Judge Gull as saying, "The totality of these circumstances demonstrate gross negligence and incompetence on the part of the defense team." But the Indiana Public Defender Council says the judge did not follow the proper process to remove the attorneys.
Judges should not be in the role of hiring and firing of lawyers. Once an attorney is appointed, if the attorney is not competent, unable or unwilling to represent the client, then or has a conflict, which is the more common scenario where there's some inherent conflict, that's when a court could step in and replace the attorney. But the court should not be hiring and firing lawyers based on, whatever, something outside those rules.
Judge Gull has until November 27th to submit her response to the Indiana Supreme Court. She appointed 2 new public defenders for Richard Allen and moved the trial to next October. Meantime, he sits in a state prison, and of course the families of Abby Williams and Libby German wait for justice more than 6 years after the girls were killed.
It's been such a long wait for those families.
And our law states is supposed to be swift for not only the defendant, but also the prosecuting side.
Right. Thank you, Rich.
Thank you.
You can read more about that conversation in the judges' chambers and see our past coverage of this case. It's on our website. Just go ahead and scan this QR code. That'll take you to WTHR.com/Delphi.